The all-new adventure scooter from Honda. The ADV 160. Equipped with a 157cc single-cylinder 4-valve engine, which makes around 16 bhp of power at 8500 rpm and 14.7 Nm of torque at 6500 rpm. The Honda ADV 160 comes with a seat height of 780mm and gets dual-purpose all-terrain tires. At front, a 14-inch alloy wheel wrapped with 110 section and 80 profile tire. And at the rear, a 13-inch alloy wrapped with 130 section and 70 profile tire. It gets a 240mm pedal disc at front and a 220mm disc at the rear. The suspension duties are handled by telescopic units at front and twin gas-charged sub-tank shock absorbers at the rear by Showa. It gets a 75mm adjustable large windscreen at the front, fully digital instrument cluster, USB charging, smart key, full LED headlights and large under-seat storage. It also comes with traction control system and ABS as options.